last days on the first portion of this repointing job that we did on the historic brick over in Averill Park. And so I just wanted to share with you guys where we're at. You can see the mortar here is very bright colored. It's lime mortar. It's a much softer material, and it's really what you want to use for things that are in the late 1800s. So really happy. Customer's really happy. We're going to come back in a couple weeks once this is all cured and put waterproofing on here that's rated for historic work. So very excited for that, and when we come back we'll be able to meet the homeowner and talk to them a little bit about how the project went and get some of what their experience has been. So thanks for watching, and check back again.